Hey guys, welcome to Anthony's Southern New England weather. Here we go. The first batch of precipitation worked off to the north. It's now hammering Maine with 1 to 3 inches of rain. We have seen widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain through southern New England overnight and into the morning hours of today. Also, we have winter storm warnings up here in northern Maine for about 10 inches of snow. But here comes our next batch. You're going to see it filling in pretty well. It's already doing so across Connecticut and Rocky Hill, Connecticut. Shout out to Jordy down there. And this will pinwheel up. If we could take a closer look in on the action, guys, we're basically getting a north-northeast wind. That's why we're keeping the rainfall here around Brockton and Taunton. It's moving back up into Cape Ann. It should be moving into Andover off the ocean, but more importantly, we have a second batch blossoming south in New England, and the rain is going to pick up and it's going to fall heavy at times again tonight into early tomorrow morning. Expect another 1 to 2 inches out of this. Look at the temperatures too, guys. Not too pleasant out there. 39 degrees. Nashua, New Hampshire, we're at 39 in Worcester, 44 in Wayland, 45 here in Andover, 46 down Jordy in Rocky Hill, Connecticut. It's about 44 here in Brockton, 46 Tom down here in Taunton, and we're about 50 to 52. The highest reading I could find was 52 degrees on Martha's Vineyard, Barnstable, and here in Provincetown. So wouldn't be surprised to see some wet snowflakes later tonight with this storm, guys. As far as how we look on the satellite, plumes of moisture moving up into the Canadian Maritimes and off sea, but here's our center, low pressure center right there, and you can see that now we have a flanking rotating band that's coming up. That band looks pretty prominent there on the local radar, so looks like that's definitely going to be happening. Watches and warnings. We have flood warnings out for Plymouth and Bristol County. We have flood watches for the rest of southern New England. We also have a winter storm warning up here for northern Maine. As far as where's the precipitation now, how long is it going to last? 4 p.m. on Tuesday, redeveloping to our south, and it should last all the way till about 5 o'clock in the morning. Could see some wet snowflakes on the back side of it, as we said. Look at what's going on out here in Colorado again, guys. 6 to 12 inches of snow. Looks like they're getting their late season snow as usual. I spent a lot of time out there in Colorado. The weather can be just as strange out there than it is here in New England, if not stranger. So Louis, look for about 6 to 10 more inches. Watch where that goes across the country, and it's going to move into some colder air here in the northeast. The NAM thinks it's going to be rain. The NAM actually has it coming a bit further north than I think. I think it's going to be a bit much further to the south, and we could actually see some snowflakes flying here. But things get even more interesting after that period, guys. Here's our initial storm. This would be by tomorrow morning, generating its old cold, could end as some snow showers. That pulls out to sea, and here comes the next one over here. What you're looking at is a map here with fronts, low pressure, and temperatures. Anywhere in the blue would be below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So watch as that storm comes across. This is the GFS ensembles, which has a bit more south, which would bring some snow, light snow to northern Pennsylvania into New York City, maybe Long Island. So we're going to have to watch that. But beyond that, here comes a more important one for around the 31st, and dare I even say April Fools. There you see a cold wedge of air, cold tongue of air coming from Canada, and low pressure system to the south. We're going to have to watch this time period, guys. Few models actually have delivering quite a bit of snowfall to this area, so we are going to have to watch that, guys. Again, departing rain from earlier, and here comes our next batch. We should be raining to beat the band again here by about 6 p.m. and it should last right into the wee hours of the morning tomorrow morning. And that's about it for now, guys. Any further updates, you can go to my blog at www.anthonysneweather.blogspot.com, or you can follow me on Twitter at ants_SNEweather, or you can check out my latest YouTube videos. Username ANTSIS32, that's ANTSIS 32. Before I go, I want to give a couple shout outs. Let's see if this is going to work. It's not going to allow me to do it. I wanted to give a couple shout outs. I will do it in my later video, but Jordy WX Media down in Connecticut, one of my brother pages, and Nick, the NewEnglandWeatherLife.ning.com. If you guys have a chance, check these sites out, because there's poor visitor counts on them as lately. You can tell getting into spring, it's warming up, but we still need support to keep us going. Okay guys, have a great afternoon. I'm over and out. Let's stay dry.